Modal verbs in English. How to use modal verbs. Can, can't, be able to. Ability to act. Can she swim? Can she swim? Can she swim? I can cook. I can cook. I can cook. Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Spanish? He can dance. He can dance. He can dance. They can drive. They can drive. They can drive. Can she play basketball? Can she play basketball? Can she play basketball? I can draw. I can draw. I can draw. Can he fix the computer? Can he fix the computer? Can he fix the computer? She can sing. She can sing. She can sing. Can they speak Japanese? Can they speak Japanese? Can they speak Japanese? Description of the intensive manifestation. I can shout loudly. I can shout loudly. I can shout loudly. He can jump high. He can jump high. He can jump high. Can you scream loudly? Can you scream loudly? Can you scream loudly? She can cry intensely. She can cry intensely. She can cry intensely. They can laugh hysterically. They can laugh hysterically. They can laugh hysterically. Can he sing beautifully? Can he sing beautifully? Can he sing beautifully? I can swim fast. I can swim fast. I can swim fast. She can read quickly. She can read quickly. She can read quickly. Can they work efficiently? Can they work efficiently? Can they work efficiently? He can focus intensely. He can focus intensely. He can focus intensely. Future action. Can you help me tomorrow? Can you help me tomorrow? Can you help me tomorrow? I can meet you later. I can meet you later. I can meet you later. Can she come on Friday? Can she come on Friday? Can she come on Friday? He can start on Monday. He can start on Monday. He can start on Monday. They can visit next month. They can visit next month. They can visit next month. Can you attend next week? Can you attend next week? Can you attend next week? She can go next year. She can go next year. She can go next year. I can finish by Friday. I can finish by Friday. I can finish by Friday. Can he join us tonight? Can he join us tonight? Can he join us tonight? She can apply next month. She can apply next month. She can apply next month. Has no infinitive form. I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. Can she drive? Can she drive? Can she drive? They can't understand. They can't understand. They can't understand. Can you speak? Can you speak? Can you speak? He can't play. He can't play. He can't play. Can she cook? Can she cook? Can she cook? We can't go. We can't go. We can't go. Can he dance? Can he dance? Can he dance? She can't solve it. She can't solve it. She can't solve it. They can't find it. They can't find it. They can't find it.